Hey riders, welcome back to the channel. So we're just heading out of Knighton now, and we're going to follow the path I've put in, which I've got from the Adventure Bike Rider Challenge for the Mid Wales Loop. So we're basically heading towards Aberystwyth now, and we're going to be stopping off at a few nice places. There's going to be a reservoir, potentially we're going to go to Devil's Bridge, and I think there's an old mining village that we might go check out as well. So I'm looking forward to having a look around at these places. The wind is picking up now. So yeah, so when I stopped off in Knighton, I just grabbed something to eat really quick, just from the Premier shop. Nothing exciting, just a pasty, a bottle of water, and now making my way over to the first stop. So I think I'm going to be on the road now for another couple of hours, but I don't think the first stop is too far away, so we'll make our way. And I just need to keep an eye on the map because the waypoints I put in should pop up. So let's carry on and yeah, enjoy the ride. I'm sure we'll see some great views along the way. So guys, if you're new to the channel, I do a mix of videos that benefit new riders, so guides on things like CBT tests, Mod 1 tests, etc, and like advice on how to get your full license. And then the other part of what I like to do on the channel is go on these adventures and film them and share them with you guys. So if you do enjoy this video, then please consider subscribing to the channel and giving it a like. I'd be really grateful. And yeah, I try to make sure that we go to like the nicest places. Anyway, actually, let me pull over for a second because I want to just have a look at the map and make sure I know where I'm going and give you guys an overview of the route today. Like I said, we're doing the Mid Wales Loop. Let me zoom out and we can see where we're heading today. Hopefully you can see that alright on the camera. But there's the start point. That was Knighton. In the last video, we actually made our way over to Knighton from the Peak District. So you're welcome to check out that one if you're interested. That was a good ride over. There's the start point. We're heading down here. There's going to be some stops on the way. Let's see if we can see what they are. There's one, which I think is just a village. This bit is a reservoir, which looks like it's going to be a really nice ride and quite bendy. In fact, there's a few really sharp bends in there. After that, we're going to keep going and head past Devil's Bridge. And then the end goal for today is to get to the hotel, which is there. And the next stop is Aberystwyth, and that's where we're going to go tomorrow. And we'll start the next part of the journey, which basically does a loop, but it goes up here instead. And I can talk you through that tomorrow. Alright, let's get back on the road. Guys, I found a Welsh flag, so I had to stop over for a second to get some snaps. And we're about to go to the reservoir now. Some beautiful views straight ahead. We're heading towards the mountains. Let's carry on. About 10 minutes ago, I went past a petrol station. Hey, look, just like this one, it was a Texaco. And I was going to get some fuel, but they didn't have E5. And I thought, oh, I've still got half a tank. I'm sure I'll come across another petrol station. And I've just come across two, actually, in a way. But I can't see if they've got E5. I don't think they have. And yeah, the tank's still pretty full, so I might just keep going. Because I don't want to have to keep like stopping and starting to get fuel the whole way. So, oh, it's a cool little clock tower. Alright, gonna go straight ahead here. What's this coach doing? There's some bends up here which I think are the reservoir. See here on the map. So let's go check it out. Steep hill. Come on, Lenny, you can do it. Wow. Yeah, some good views coming up. Guys, there's loads of falcons flying around. Don't know if you see them on camera. So cool. Look at these views. Guys, I'm loving this ride at the moment. Just for nature, it's a good temperature, it's not too cold. Yeah, it's really nice, really nice. And it looks like the views are about to get a whole lot better. If you're enjoying the video and you haven't subscribed, please do consider doing it. Here we go. Looks like water's coming up on the map. Let's go find this reservoir. Oh, there's a grid. Thanks for the heads up. There it is. Nice, okay. Elan Valley. Elan Valley. No idea if I said that right.
I've been acting like a wild man.
Wow.
Sleeping like
I need to go straight. I kind of want to go left, but I'm following the map, following the plan. But it did look cool down there. I guess the high road will be better. Wow, check this out, guys. This is such a cool road. Wow. Make sure the camera's recording this. Oh man. Look at that, look at these views. Wow. Oh, the route down there goes right by the water though. That might have been nice, but hey. Guess the grass is always greener. I probably would have been on that route down there and said, oh, I wish I was looking at the route from up here. No way, guys, I did not know we were going to be seeing this. Look at that. Oh my god. Check it out. That's so cool. Oh, there's a spot to pull over there. Oh, car park. Okay. Let's go see if we can park up just quickly and we can go have a look. So cool. Alright, let's go have a look. Guys, I'm actually so impressed with that dam. So yeah, guys, I'm actually so impressed with that dam. I don't know why, it's just so cool. I don't think I like expected to see it, and then it was just there. Yeah, really cool. Oh no, is that a sheep? I actually need to pull over for a second. Hopefully the sheep doesn't mind. How did the sheep end up there? Oh, there's one behind me as well. God. Right, let me just I need to sort my earplug out, it's not in properly. You see me? Oh no, don't come over. Why is he coming this way? Don't worry about me, buddy. You carry on. Good lad. Alright, I could stay here all day, but I should probably keep moving, especially if it's going to rain soon. Let's go. See you later, sheep. Guys, I'm a massive fan of this road. I love how quiet it is as well. Like, I've only seen a couple cars coming down. Wow. Guys, I recommend this route. I mean, I know it's not finished yet, but at least this first bit I've done. Highly recommend. It's great. Definitely will come here again. So it looks like we're now gonna go around a bend and we're gonna cut across a bridge and go up a bit higher in this reservoir. So let's go do that. See if we can get a few more snaps. Any cool clips. And then we'll head back down and go to the next stop. I might just look over the map again just to make sure we're on course. I mean, we're definitely en route now. I thought I changed the route so that when I came across the bridge it would then take me up that way, but maybe not. So let's quickly zoom up here. Oh, is that the bridge we're going over? Sick. Wow. So cool. Right up here. Actually, you know what? I don't fancy this road on my bike. This looks like you need an adventure bike. So actually, I think I'm going to go back. Let's go back across this bridge. I'll have to come back, guys, when I've got my adventure bike. I just don't think that the this bike's tyres are made for that sort of road. And we're only just going to go up there and come back again. So another day. But yeah, I feel like that's the right choice. There's no point risking it and just falling off or getting stuck up there for like what, 2 minutes riding. But this road looks pretty fun, so let's just stick on this. I'm on 2 bars of fuel now, so I am getting a little antsy about it. Might have to see if there's a petrol station on the map. Hopefully I'm not too far from one. And look, there's a new dam on the right. It's starting to rain now. I might have to put trousers on. See if I can stop anywhere. Nice, okay, they should help me keep dry. Perfect. Alright guys, I'm going to carry on, take it a bit slow because it's wet, and I'm going to have to try and find a petrol station because I've only got a couple bars. But got the waterproof trousers on, looking good. But alright, let's carry on, we'll be alright. And yeah, hopefully we'll find some petrol soon.